I'm in the Nissan engine museum right now. So, it's pretty cool. Gosh. Entrance. Oh my gosh, this is sick. 400Z. Model NB. The truck. That thing is huge. What is this? GR8. Inline 6 dual head cam. 1996 cc 82 by 63. Oh, damn, that thing must rev to the moon. 84,000 RPM, 254 PS. That's crazy. Holy shit. It's ITBs. That's crazy. LD28. Wow. Oh, that cast manifold. That looks cool. Injectors on this side. Interesting. Oh, the exhaust manifold's at the bottom. That's cool. BRH 350Z, 1991. Seems insane. Turbos are 4. Wow. Wow. These turbos are huge. Twin turbo. The overhead cam V8. This intake manifolds. Crazy. Wow. It's interesting. We're using top feed injectors. And that intake manifold is just held in by a coupling. What is this? VRT 35, 1992. I guess this is a Proceeder or Succeeder. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a V12. Holy shit, that's 6 on this side. 6 on this side. These are so long. Oh my gosh, this is fucking crazy. Look at these. Close, unplug. Oh, these they're using side feed injectors? That is crazy. Holy shit. And this is a VRH 34B. It's a Nissan 2013 GT500. Nissan Nismo GTR. Super GT500. That's crazy. Intake manifold. Holy shit. Oh, it's billet. Oh no, the top part. The head is. Seems. Oh, the valve cover is billet. I'm guessing this oil pump is billet. This manifold is crazy. It's a V8. Oh man. These coils. Oh, 300ZX. EG30 DETT. Water cooled V6. 87 by 63. Oh wow, that's cool. Look, they show the turbo and everything. Wow, that's cool. That is sick. You can see the whole turbo. Everything made all clear. They cut it all clear. Bro, this looks so much better when it's out of the engine bay. Oh, they actually show the cams too. That's the NCVT, for the cam time control. This is SR20 DET, NVCS on it, 86 by 86. This is the motor that every S chassis should have. It's interesting. It's a tiny little turbo, R60 Garrett. Wow. Oh yeah. Top manifold. Wow. Damn, if K8s have this, it would be so much easier to work on. It's crazy. Now here's the RB26 DTT. Shit is crazy. Wow, intake manifold. Beautiful. But it's twin turbo, Garrett turbos. Wow, that is interesting. Damn. The Wastegates. Oh my gosh. This vacuum lines look like a mess. Holy shit. This is the VR30 DDTT. 86 by 86, 3 liter. Damn. This thing looks so sophisticated. That's crazy. The engineering is so much higher than the previous engine. These are not simplistic no more. Wow. This one is the MR20DD. I don't know we have this. This is cool. I'm assuming, I don't know what that is. Automatic transmission maybe? Wow. Very simple manifold. This one's a VK50 VE. Catalytic converters. The manifold. What's a V8? Coil plugs. It's crazy. This thing looks way overbuilt for an SUV. Jeez, this turbo is hidden and everything. This is the RB20E. Let's go, they have a cut open. You can see the pistons, everything. The crankshaft, wow, that is sick. The valves. Valves are pretty cool. The camshaft in there. It's rocker design. Take manifold. Distributor setup looks really interesting. This is such simple engines, wow. Let's see. This is sick. That's cool. They put like a whole crankshaft and piston and everything. That's cool. Their awards. Wow, they have a ton of awards. Oh, a miniature engine? That's sick. They have all these cars here too. The miniatures car. The R32. Oh, the R34 is hard to tell. The lighting's not that good. Wow, these are crazy. They made a Hakosuka, a racing one. Wow, that's cool. This is the history of Nissan. That's crazy. First half of the history of Nissan. It's cool. It tells like the whole story of what's happening or what happened, how they got here. That's cool. Wow. Oh, this is sick. They have a miniature of the RB26. R34 Skyline. GTR. Mini R32 right there. What is that? Skyline 2000 GTR. They have a VR for 38. Miniature too. That's crazy. Wow, innate. Wow. What is that? I don't know what engine that is. Is that an L series maybe? I don't know. Damn, this thing is cool. Wow. It's not bad. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it definitely has a body of a Z33 and Z34, but you know, gotta make do with what you have. It looks pretty good, honestly. Electric motors, ew, disgusting. Ew. Nah. I guess this is a video of how they build their engines. It's pretty cool. Wow. KR20D DET. Hopefully if they make a new S chassis, maybe this will be in. Oh, tiny turbo, wow. This thing is kind of crazy. There's so much components, wow. Oh, this intake manifold is down here. The throttle body is pretty big. Wow. cool. How much horsepower? 84 by 90 millimeter. 84 by, wow, 56. Wow. 272 PS. Wow, that is pretty powerful. Holy shit. 3,600 RPM. Okay, so I'm heading back now. Probably gonna go somewhere to eat. Or probably get something, I don't know. I don't know of any other places that I could go. It'll be interesting. I don't know. So I'll see.